Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to scale a part in Onshape CAD. So basically what you'll need to do is go to the left side and select the whole part. Then you'll need to navigate to transform button right here, and here you'll need to select scale, and now you'll need to select point or mate connector. So you can select the random point if you need to, and then you'll need to scale it up. So let's say I want this item or model to be 3 times bigger. I'll just put 3, or if I want to make it bigger like 10 times, I will put 10. And if I click on this green check icon, you'll see that my model did get bigger 10 times. So that's how you can scale up or scale down your model in Onshape CAD. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.